With us working all the time and constantly on the go, we never have time to go to the grocery store or cook, so we always end up eating out, ordering delivery, or just eating something unhealthy.
And then we end up regretting it because we wasted money, and depending on what we ate, we feel sluggish or tired the next day.
And with all the junk food we were eating, it was bound to show up again in some unflattering places.
But then we saw a friend and he looked great, so we asked him what he was doing and he introduced us to Meal Prep Sunday.
And after 2 months of trying the service, it solved everything for us.
And we don't have to worry about going to the grocery store and cooking to have tasty and healthy food. And we get it dropped off at our door every Sunday, and we have enough meals for the whole week.
And they're perfect for our goals. I'm trying to maintain where I'm at, and he's trying to increase his muscle growth. So they send us the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats with each meal.
So the meals are in sync with your goals, so you know you're getting the right stuff.
And also, the meals are vacuum sealed, so they come fresh and they stay fresh.
And I like how the menus change every week, so I don't get tempted to go to the drive-thru.
And if you're into fitness or just busy, give them a try. The meals are delicious, healthy, and convenient. There's no contract or cancellation fees.
So you can take a break or cancel at any time.
And the meals are $5.90 right now, and they'll throw in a free training program.
And we really can't recommend it enough.